Mindful observations. Welcome to our video on mindful observations. Mindful observation helps us to live more present in our daily lives. Let's dive in and learn how to become more mindful through basic practices. To begin with, find a quiet, comfortable place. It could be anywhere, your room, a park, or even your office. Ensure there are minimal distractions. We'll start by focusing our attention on an object. Select an object to observe. It could be as simple as a pen or as complex as a piece of art. The idea is to focus your attention completely on this object while observing it. Now, take a moment to look at your selected object. Notice its shape, its color, and any patterns it may have. Does it have any imperfections? Just observe and make a mental note. How does the object feel to the touch? Is it smooth, rough, or textured? Notice every detail. The goal is to engage your senses to their fullest and truly immerse yourself in the experience. Next, close your eyes and try to recreate the object in your mind. Visualize its shape, texture, color, and any characteristics you noticed. Keep your entire focus on this mental image. Now, let's step it up a notch. Turn your attention to your surroundings. Listen to the sounds around you. Do you hear birds chirping, cars passing by, or the rustling of leaves? Just notice them without any judgment. It's not just about hearing, it's about listening. Notice the varying pitches, volumes, and patterns. Imagine these sounds painting a picture in your mind. This is about fully engaging with the present moment. Now, let's observe our thoughts. Are you thinking about something? Are you feeling any emotions? It's perfectly okay. Just observe them as they come and go, like clouds in the sky. Remember, the goal of mindful observation is not to empty your mind. It's about being aware. It's about noticing the different sensations, emotions, and thoughts that arise without getting lost in them. You can practice mindful observation anywhere and anytime. It's a simple yet powerful way to connect with the present moment, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. So, that's it for our video on mindful observation. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about practice. Keep observing, keep practicing, and keep being mindful.